What's the matter, boy? Something out there got you spooked?
Roast.
A roast? Like, what's so scary about a delicious roast?
Not roast. Roast.
It's okay, boy. You're safe here with me. My name's Norville, but most people call me Shaggy. Let's see what your name is. Scoobert New. Like, I wonder if people call you Scooby. Kinda has a nice ring to it, don't you think? Well, then it's nice to meet you, Scooby-Doo.
Nice to meet you, Maggie.
I don't see anything else on your tags. Who's your owner? Where do you belong, boy?
Nowhere.
Oh, well, you're welcome to stay here with me. Oh, we can be friends. How's that sound?
Without you, there's no reason for my story. And when I'm with you, I can always act the same. Forever, yeah, we're together. We can make it. We can make it. Without you, there's no reason for my story. And when I'm with you, I can